Guys, we got a 2012 Lincoln Navigator with the 5.4 V8. This vehicle is coming back with a, where is it at? The P0019. I was getting misfires on the driver's side bank, which is bank B, right? Bank number 2. So we're getting 5, 6, 7, and 8, getting a misfire. Took it to multiple places. It's on. It was the timing chain. I'm sorry. I ended up pulling the solenoid. We're getting this. My work with everyone. It worked with him. Cleaned it up, put it back in there, and this was pretty much stuck. It's very common with these V8s. Started working. There was no more misfire, but client opted into buying a new solenoid. So we got the new one in there already. I already got everything in there. I'm about to crank it up and check for codes. Once I deleted the reset of the codes, that same code will come back on and we'll get the same misfires always. But now we got the new one in there and I'm about to access it. We got the new solenoid in there. We got a new valve cover gasket on the driver's side. And now the vehicle, remember, it had a bunch of misfire with that same code. Now we got the new one in there. And there we have it. Look at just little things. Oxygen sensor. Just we got the misfire in the startup just because the solenoid was empty. So once it got filled with oil, it started working fine. Just little things like that, but shouldn't be back on anymore. But it was show that P0019, and we're not getting that no more. So yeah, just the misfire that was at first startup due to it being empty, not filled with oil. So yeah, it will cause that. But other than that, everything seems to be good. That code didn't come back on, or the misfires on 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're good to go.